What is WordPress hosting? We're going to cover the most important things you need to know about WordPress hosting so you can see if it's right for you. Let's get started. WordPress hosting is a specialized type of web hosting where the server is optimized for WordPress websites. Now, WordPress hosting can either be shared or managed, but in this video we'll be covering the aspects of shared hosting. Shared WordPress hosting is one of the most popular and affordable options for WordPress users because the cost of server maintenance is shared among multiple customers. Just so that it's easy to understand how shared WordPress hosting works, let's pretend that your website is the red laptop or website displayed in the middle of these two other websites. As you can see, there's one physical server specifically optimized for WordPress, which is connected to you and two other websites, one to the left and one to the right of you. You are all on the same network using the same IP address and sharing the same server resources. This is a very simple example, but I want everyone watching this to understand how this works, especially for those who are new to web hosting. Some advantages of WordPress hosting are that it's optimized for high performance. WordPress hosting servers are configured and optimized for WordPress websites. Having your WordPress website optimized for high performance gives you faster website speed, upload times, and the ability to manage higher amounts of traffic. Now, WordPress shared hosting is the most affordable type of hosting. Since the CPU, bandwidth, disk space, and other resources are being shared among multiple customers, web hosting and server maintenance costs are discounted, and the savings are passed on to you. WordPress hosting is fast and easy to set up. It's simple, straightforward, and many hosting accounts come with a free drag-and-drop website builder or one-click WordPress installation, so you can easily build a website and have it up and running in no time. Most shared hosting plans come with the industry-standard control panel called cPanel, which makes managing your hosting account super easy. It's low maintenance. Server maintenance, administrative tasks, and security are all usually handled by your hosting provider, so you don't have to worry about managing servers, installing server software, security updates, or other aspects of hosting. You can host multiple domains. Many shared hosting plans allow you to host more than one domain or website in a single account. It's flexible and scalable. You can choose a shared hosting plan that fits the needs of your website, and if those needs change, you can either scale up or scale down. For example, as your personal website, WordPress blog, or your small business grows, you can upgrade to a better hosting plan that offers better security, flexibility, and scalability for growth. Some disadvantages of WordPress hosting are the limited server resources. Many shared WordPress hosting providers claim that they offer unlimited web hosting with unlimited disk space and bandwidth and everything else, but that's simply not true. Unlimited plans do have limitations to the amount of server resources you can use. Each website has their own resource limit. The truth is that most, hosting companies do give you plenty of resources, but this is based on what they think the average website will normally consume on a shared server. So they assume that most likely you'll never really exceed or go over that resource limit. But as your website traffic grows, you could go over that limit and your website could experience slow loading pages or even downtime. If this happens, you'll most likely need to upgrade to a better plan with more resources. Another disadvantage of WordPress hosting is the limited security. With shared WordPress hosting, you're also sharing an IP address with multiple websites, which is usually more prone to hacking or possible spam issues. If one of the websites that share your IP address gets blacklisted, or if there's any malicious activity, then it can affect all the website users on that server. But it's good to know that most WordPress hosting companies do have security measures in place to prevent these types of potential threats and security risks. Another disadvantage is the limited customer support. Most shared WordPress hosting plans come with great customer support. However, there are some hosting providers that offer a limited level of support compared to someone using a VPS or dedicated hosting plan. So it's important to do your research before selecting any WordPress hosting provider. Who should use shared WordPress hosting? You should consider shared WordPress hosting if you have a WordPress website, blog, small business, or any other website that doesn't require advanced configurations or high bandwidth. On the other hand, if you have an e-commerce store or high-traffic website, then a VPS or dedicated hosting plan might be a better option for you. But if you're on a tight budget or just want to save on costs, then shared WordPress hosting is a great affordable way to launch your website while keeping your expenses low. As we mentioned before, shared WordPress hosting is fast and easy to set up. It's easy to manage, it's low maintenance, you can host multiple domains, it's flexible and scalable. WordPress shared hosting is a great way to get your website or small business online quickly. No matter which hosting provider you choose, make sure they offer the flexibility, security, and scalability you need. If you have any questions or comments, please post them in the comment section below. In the description, I included the best WordPress hosting providers and some free resources for you. If you guys have any questions or would like to share your experiences with WordPress hosting, please post them in the comment section below. Well, that's it, guys. Please like this video if you found it useful or if this video helped you out in any way. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and check out our hosting reviews and tips at bestwebhostinghub.com.